if you are experiencing issues with your AT&T router. One common problem is the blinking white light. This light can indicate a variety of problems, so it is essential to understand what it means and how to fix it. First, it is crucial to understand that the blinking white light on your AT&T router can signify that the device is booting up, or it may be an indication of a problem. The light will typically blink white when the router is starting up, and once it has completed the boot process, it should turn solid. However, if the light continues to blink, it may be a sign of an issue with the device. One of the primary reasons the white light blinks is due to a firmware issue. If the firmware is outdated or corrupted, the router may not function correctly, resulting in the blinking white light. To resolve this issue, you can try updating the firmware on your router. You can do this by logging into the router's web interface and checking for any available updates. Another reason the white light may be blinking is due to a problem with the internet connection. If the router is not receiving a stable internet signal, it may cause the light to blink. To fix this issue, you can try restarting the router or checking the physical connections to ensure they are secure. In some cases, the blinking white light may be a sign of a hardware issue. If the router is damaged or faulty, it may cause the light to blink. In this case, you may need to contact AT&T for assistance or consider replacing the router. To troubleshoot the issue, you can try a few simple steps. First, restart the router by unplugging it, waiting for 30 seconds, and then plugging it back in. This can often resolve any temporary issues and get the router functioning correctly. If the problem persists, you can try resetting the router to its factory settings. This will erase all of your custom settings, so be sure to back up any important data before doing so. In conclusion, the blinking white light on your AT&T router can be a sign of a variety of issues. By understanding the possible causes and taking the necessary steps to troubleshoot and resolve the problem, you can get your router up and running smoothly. Remember to always check for firmware updates, ensure a stable internet connection, and consider restarting or resetting the router as needed.